Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. So we are ready to start building our convolutional neural network. I'm super excited to start and I hope you are too. This is going to be quite a long journey. We're not making the most simple model here, so we are going to make it step by step. And the first step is to import all the Keras packages that we will need to make our CNN model. So I've prepared them here. There are 5 of them, as you can see. And these are the only packages we'll need to make our convolutional neural network. So let's get these imports done so that we can mostly focus on the CNN. So let's just see what they are. The first package is sequential, and we already saw this package in the previous section when making the A and N. This sequential package is the one that we'll use to initialize our neural network. Because remember, there are 2 ways of initializing a neural network, either as a sequence of layers or as a graph. And since a convolutional neural network is still a sequence of layers, well, we use this sequential package to initialize our neural network. Alright, then second package, convolution 2D. So convolution 2D, as you might have guessed, is the package that we'll use for the first step of making the CNN, that is the convolution step, in which we add the convolutional layers. And here, since we are working on images, and since images are in 2 dimensions, unlike, for example, videos that are in 3 dimensions with the time, well, we use this convolution 2D package to deal with images. Then, next package is max pooling 2D, and as you might have guessed as well, this package will be the package that we'll use to proceed to step 2, the pooling step. That will add our pooling layers. Alright, then next package, flatten. So this is the package that we'll use for step 3, flattening, in which we convert all the pooled feature maps that we created through convolution and max pooling into this large feature vector that is then becoming the input of our fully connected layers. And then finally, last package, the dance package. You know this package, we already used it in the ANN section. This is the package we use to add the fully connected layers in a classic artificial neural network. Alright, so basically each package corresponds to one step of the construction of the CNN. Alright, perfect. So now let's import the packages. I'm going to select all these lines here and press Command + Ctrl + Enter to import the package. And here we are reminded that we're using the TensorFlow backend, which I recommend to use since the computations are going to be a little faster. Alright, so that's done for this first step. Now let's move on to the second step, which is to initialize our convolutional neural network. And to initialize it, we're going to use the sequential package. And that's what we'll do in the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy machine learning!